I'm going to teach you guys something about tricking your opponent when it comes to fighting. Now, look, it's all about just playing a game of chess. I want them to think I'm going to go somewhere so I could go somewhere else, okay? Very simple. And the way we do this is we want to have fun with this. We don't want to overdo it. We don't want to overthink it. All we want to do is just be like, we're fighting, we're doing our own thing. I go up and then I go inside instead. I want them to think I'm going to be coming up and then I go in. I can be here, I can go in and then out, right off to the side. So I want you to think of different combinations. Let's start off with just 3. Let's do front, round, and side, okay? So how it works is you have front, round, and side kick. Now, with our front kick, here we go. I'm just kicking to the body, right? Just normal front kicks. Just trying to do my own thing, and then suddenly, whoa! You see how I twist everything and go up to the top? Because I'm fighting. Because from your perspective, I'm here, I'm kicking, boom, I'm kicking, and then I come up to the top. It's a very quick transition. My foot is going up, but I want to sell it, and then I come up to the top and I kick. So I'm here, so I kick and I come up. That's what I'm doing. Kick and come up. I'm here. Pow. It's like a little quick whip. Yes, whoosh. Some people would consider this to be a question mark kick, but it depends on how you kick it, okay? The question mark kick is more up and down, but in this sense, 1, 2, okay? So how we do the next part, let's do side kick. We're gonna try to feint with a side kick. We're gonna go round kick, right? We're here, like for example, this guy's right here, right? He's blocking it. Boom. Wow, you're good. Dang, he's really, boom. Just switch it up. Switch it up. High, low. Just make them go, make them think. Make them go high, sell it. If you want to have a bonus kick with that, you can go 1, 2, nice little hook kick, fake the round, go for the hook kick. If you want to do the hook kick, well, boom, and then add the round kick, absolutely you can do that. My biggest hot take on this, do not over feint the kicks. Eventually, if you just keep flipping them out, they'll get right by and you'll get tired. So stick to 3 kicks that really work with you, whether it's a front kick, round kick, side kick, even a hook kick. I mean, heck, you could fake a spinning back kick for all you know. Like, you could go here, 1, come up, and then round kick. You know, you could be, whoa, jump, and then kick. That'd be pretty crazy. You can do that. I just don't want to hit this late because I've done it before and it's not good. But that's something you could do. Comment what you think. I'm excited to hear about it. All right, 감사합니다. Thank you.